Hey, it's me guys, Brandy, and I am going to open up a box from Lavenders Book Babes. If you don't already know, I am a representative for Lavenders Book Babes, and they have a lot of self-care items. The owner of Lavenders Book Babes is an author, so I'm super excited to see what is in here. I ordered a couple of things, so we'll see what is in here. So yippee-ki-yay. I have quite a few things here. So I have a Star-Crossed Lovers scrunchie, which look at how cute. I'm like ripping open the packaging, but look at that. Isn't that cute? So this is what it looks like. It's super cute, and you can see there's a little label on there. So these are adorable, and I'm excited about that. And I ordered this. It's a Hades and Persephone soap bar, and it's a beautiful blend of pink grapefruit, ripe peaches, Valencia oranges, raspberry sorbet, summer snapdragon, velvet rose, fresh air, and sensual musk. Ooh, and it smells so good. I don't want to open it, but I want to show you guys how pretty it is. I'll just give you an idea. There is little butterflies on it. Super freaking adorable. Like super, super nice. Small batch Artisan soap. I think this was just given to me. This little, oh my gosh, this little teeny tiny piece of soap, but it smells so good. And the scent is in Lucky Babe. So that's like a little gift. And then of course for my body butter that I ordered, a little spoon, a little wooden spoon. And then this is my body butter, and it is so hot outside that shit melted. So I'm gonna have to put it in the fridge. I'm sure it smells amazing, but you can see like it melted. So I'm gonna have to put it in the refrigerator. And then we have some things that I cannot eat because I'm on the keto diet, but that's okay. My kids will eat them, or somebody I know will eat them. And then this is my rep package. So we have a hand sanitizer. Scent is Zen Babe. Oh, that smells really good. Oh, that smells so good. So you just spray it for hand sanitizer, and that smells really good. I'm gonna have to put this in my vest for work. And then we have a limited edition Stardust soap bar. And you can look, there is glitter on it. Look how pretty that is. Ooh, and it smells really good. Coconut oil, olive oil, I don't know what that says. Charcoal, mica, and fragrance. Super cute. So then we have a Violet's Tea Blend Goat's Milk Based Soap. Books and Bubbles. And I like to use these on my face. And then as soon as these words leave his lips, I know they'll be etched in my heart forever. Obsidian Throne. So she is a author. And she sends cute little quotes like that. We have a bookmark with her signature. We have some straws. Little paper straws, recyclable straws. And then an affirmation card. I am proud of myself. I matter. Imperfections make me unique and special. Happiness is found within, and I am more than just a body. Super nice. Super, super sweet. And then a little notebook. A little cute notebook. And some tea light candles. It says I am love tea light candles. I know she makes all of her stuff herself. So, oh my god, they smell so good. If you could smell these, they smell so good. If you could jump through the screen, I would tell you jump through the screen to smell this stuff. Whew, smells so good. Alright, so that is everything that I got in my rep package. I have also this little card. It says a portion of sales donates to rehabilitation and rescue of wombats. So, that's cute. Cute, cute, cute. I am excited to use my little goodies. So, yeah. That is everything that I got. Thank you so, so much for being here for this unboxing. Please do me a favor and go check out Lavenders Book Babes on Instagram. And let her know I sent you. My code is BrandyBabe. I think it's just BrandyBabe, yeah. My code's BrandyBabe. You'll save some money on it if you use my code. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.